In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group elements in Canva Desktop. Grouping elements can really streamline your design process, making it easier to move and edit multiple objects without altering your layout. Let's walk through this process together. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Canva's website. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing in canva.com. Once you're there, log into your account. If you don't have one yet, creating an account is quite simple and free, which is a great way to get started. Once you're logged in, go ahead and select your design. You can either choose a design you've already started, or if you're creating something new, you can select a template that fits your project needs. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll assume you have a design in mind. Now, before we start grouping elements, it's helpful to lock your background. This step is crucial because it prevents the background from being accidentally selected or moved around while you're focused on grouping other elements. To lock the background, simply click on it and look for a little padlock icon in the toolbar up top. Click this icon and you'll see a lock symbol appear on your canvas, confirming it's locked. With the background secured, it's time to start grouping. Position your cursor over the canvas where your design elements are located. Click your left mouse button, and while keeping it pressed, drag it over the elements you want to group. You'll notice a bounding box forming as you do this, which helps you ensure all desired elements are included. Once you've encompassed all the elements, release the mouse button. This action will select all the elements within that box, highlighted by a blue outline. Check again to make sure everything you want is selected, and if you've accidentally missed or included something, you can adjust with the Shift key while clicking on any extra element you want to add or remove. Next, find the Group button in the toolbar that appears just above your chosen elements. Click on that, and like magic, your elements will be grouped together. You'll notice that they now move as a single entity, making adjustments a breeze. By mastering this simple yet powerful tool in Canva, you can save time and produce more polished designs. Grouping lets you manipulate a collective of elements with ease, ensuring your creativity isn't hampered by logistical frustrations. I hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful. Keep practicing, and soon this process will become second nature to you. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing the awesome designs you'll create using this technique.